Hello everybody, well today I'm going to start with making a tutorial in Java, my first tutorial in Java. So I hope you guys like it, but I'm not here to make a very boring, Java tutorial, because I'm here to make Java fun. So I hope I do my best. So here we are. Actually, why we should learn Java? A quick answer, because to make one of these you need a lifetime. With the old languages, but with Java it's a lot more fun, it's a lot more easier. Doesn't mean it's easy, but it's a lot more easier to actually make a quick game, a quick something, some kind of software, and just throw it right there and actually make a big hit. You don't really need that much to learn, or that much big group to learn about. Doesn't mean it's 100% easy, but it could be a lot more fun. So today, so my tutorials will be about something you ask, something you suggest me to do, a tutorial or video about it. And I hope you guys suggest me a lot of things, or some concept that you don't understand. Let's discuss it. Let's make a tutorial about it. And please subscribe, don't forget that. And please let me comments about it. Today I'm just gonna do a quick introduction to Java, and this is I'm working on my Eclipse actually. So I already start something, and it's a Java class, and I call it let's do it again anyway, just to make you actually love the game. So this is new, to make a new Java project. So as not to forget, Java project doesn't really need to be started with a capital. So you can just start with the, it's not a case sensitive. So let's make it a fun game. Okay, let's finish. Yes, here we are. Let's finish. And it's gonna make me a new project. New project is good, means it's clear, unless you add things to it. So let's make a new class. If you're familiar with, say, a class, it's like the familiar, it's the corresponding to a structure, but it's not really a structure. It's not a static structure. It's a structure with a behavior. A class here is need to tell you, hey, you cannot just play me however you want. I can do certain things, I can do other things. I am who I am with my attributes. That's what I know. That's what I know, and that's what I know to do. Don't forget those two things. A class always tells you two things. That's what I can do, that's what I can't do. That's what I know, that's what I don't know. That's what you can't know, even know that I know. And a bunch of things, but remember those. Let's start with fun as a class. Actually, the name of the class is case sensitive. It needs to start with a capital F. Let's finish, and here we are. So if you don't understand why this is a package and all this stuff, I'm going to do something here. So if you see this box, the big box, and you see those little boxes, those are the elements of the package. And those are the elements of the package. Those things, can't know actually about the existence of the other one unless this one tells the other one that I do exist here. And this one, the same thing. But if you are in here, you can see the existence of the tree. But if you are in here, you can't see the existence of the other ones. But this is the understanding of the package. If the package gets all those classes, you can have multiple classes. So many multiple classes in the same package, and this is basically it's a class, another one, class, and another class, and class actually a package got them, all of them under its wings. Okay, so let's come back to our Eclipse, and this is the declaration of the class. And actually, as you see here, it's the declaration the same as the name of the class, and this is the class and a public meaning that all other classes can know about my existence. That's what I told you in here. So here, like you see, this one, when you say public, means that this one knows about the existence of this class right here. So it tells them. And here we are. So, like I told you before, a class got what it knows. For example, it knows its name, which is a string. I'm going to give it nil because it doesn't know anything right now. And let's make it about, it knows score equals initially 0. And it does one thing good. Fun knows how to play. And this, let's go ahead and make it public. You don't need to worry about this right now. Public void play. And play, all it does is actually add in 1 to score. So score equal score plus 1. So, and here we are. This is a method, and methods means like what this class does it know. It's like a person. You want to hire an employee. He knows its name, he got diploma, he knows a lot of information, but he knows actually how to write a document or how to write something like that. So you give it the tasks to write that document. So we got the behavior and what actually can do, which is methods, and actually what does it know, the attributes. And here we can actually make the program work by a thread. We can call it a method that is the main method. Public void main string args, which are actually the arguments that you can give as starting with the program. And you can do this. And let's make something fun. So every time you actually play, we're going to ask the user, do you want to play? So we're going to say yes. If it's why the user say yes, or let's make it more simple for our first program, why not just write the new score? But it isn't that simple. You have to actually create an instance of your, what does it call that? The class. Yes, the class is a type actually. So if you want to, someone to do something in here, in the main method, you need to actually initiate someone that actually is fun or something or anything. So let's start with fun. Set the declaration to game, new fun. So you're going to say, what is that? This is what we call a constructor. A constructor is like, here you declare the game. You declare like it's saying, for example, we have an employee, and the employee is called, Christopher. And Christopher is an employee. So you're going to say employee, Christopher, new, employed. So you're going to start, you employ Christopher, you call him for something. So you actually construct the employee. Here's what's happening right here. And the second thing you have to actually think about is make Christopher work. Here we're gonna make the game play. So game dot play. This is what happened. You called the game and you told them, yeah, play. So this is play, and play actually it takes score and it adds it 1. And to see that actually something changed, we're gonna call system out on. This is what actually this is doing. The new score is like this plus game dot score. Done. So this is our program. This is a must be, and if you understand this, now we have to actually save this. Don't forget to save, and then run it as an application. Okay, you need to take this public static. Oh, forgot static. Oh my god. I should never forget static. How come? Okay. Anyway, so public static void main string args now they understand it actually is an application, so it's gonna run. Okay, there's a problem. The problem is I didn't save. So right now it should work. So here we are. Actually, our program works and it says the new score is 1. So when we gave actually the game to play, it added score to 1 and the score value actually changed, and this is what happened. So I hope you guys like my my tutorial. And thank you for, please subscribe and ask me for anything, suggest some things, suggest some kind of things, and to the next tutorial. Goodbye.